From Daily Forex, this is Christopher Lewis looking at Bitcoin, and you can see we have yet another red candle on the daily chart. When I do the analysis on this chart, there's really only two things that I'm paying attention to, and that is 6,000 because it's such an obvious support level, and that's this trend line. I take that back. There's actually three things I'm paying attention to. There's that level as well. So when I look at this chart, it's probably one of the least well-kept secrets that 6,000 is a huge amount of support. If we break 5,800, the floodgates will open and this thing will crack very drastically. I think 5,000 will happen much quicker than most people expect. A break of 5,000 is going to be nothing short of catastrophic. However, the other argument is we could break above the downtrend line at basically 7,500, and that sends us to about 8,200, which if we can break that, then we can go to 10. The problem is I just don't see a catalyst for this market to change its attitude. The highs continue to get low, and I get a lot of hate mail about Bitcoin, about how wrong I am about Bitcoin. But and for me, it's not a matter of being right or wrong. It's price is truth. I've been bearish of Bitcoin since this candlestick back here. I remember thinking how parabolic it was. Now I was early, but you normally are on a trend change. At this point, there's nothing on this chart that suggests it's going to go higher other than the support. And the support, while very impressive, the reality is that the lows continue to drop. Volume is very low compared to what it once was. So it's a maturing market, and that's going to change the rules. At this point, I suspect we do break down. Now, I wouldn't short at these levels, but I certainly wouldn't be a buyer either. It just continues to fail every time we rally. If I were to change the symbol on this chart and just put some random stock name in this chart and ask you how you felt about this, what you should be doing, you'd be selling. But unfortunately, people get very emotional about Bitcoin for some reason. And this chart, there is nothing good about this chart. I can't even remotely stress that enough. So this is still a sell the rallies chart. Until we break this downtrend line, that would be the first sign of something good happening. If it does, and we clear this most recent high, which would coincide nicely with each other, and if it happens in the next couple days, that would be something to hang your hat on. Until then, it just looks to me like it's only a matter of time before they give up.